From the clash of bronze shields to the thunder of cannons, the story of humanity has often been written in the language of conflict. For thousands of years, the battlefield was a physical space, defined by swords, spears, and the courage of soldiers facing their enemy eye to eye. These ancient struggles, etched in our history, feel both distant and strangely familiar. They remind us that the struggle for power, resources, and ideology is a timeless human drama. But what happens when the very nature of the battlefield changes? When the lines blur and the fight moves from the physical world into a dimension we can't even see? Welcome to the 21st century, where warfare has taken a monumental leap into the digital age. The soldier of today might not carry a rifle, but a keyboard. The deadliest weapon might not be a missile, but a line of code. Drones, once the stuff of science fiction, now patrol our skies, acting as the eyes, ears, and sometimes the executioners in conflicts thousands of miles away. Cyber warfare has opened up a new front, where power grids, financial systems, and national secrets are the targets. And then there's artificial intelligence, a technology that promises to revolutionize military strategy. With autonomous systems capable of making life or death decisions in microseconds, this isn't a forecast for the future. This is the reality of now. These technological advancements are not theoretical. They are actively shaping geopolitical hotspots around the globe. Look at the Middle East, a region in a constant state of flux. The intricate dance of power between nations like Israel and Iran is increasingly played out in the shadows of cyberspace and with precision drone strikes. We see proxy conflicts where technology allows nations to engage without ever officially declaring war, creating a perpetual state of low-level hostility further east in places like Afghanistan. The withdrawal of conventional forces hasn't ended the conflict. Instead, it has morphed, relying on intelligence, surveillance, and remote operations to manage threats. The modern map of conflict is no longer just about lines on a map. It's about networks, data streams, and the digital reach of power. But amidst all this advanced technology, what about the human element? The experience of a soldier has been transformed. A drone pilot in a control room on one continent can be engaged in combat on another, only to drive home to their family at the end of the day. This creates a unique and complex psychological burden, a detachment from the consequences of war that we are only just beginning to understand for civilians caught in these modern conflicts. The threat is no longer just from an invading army. It's the drone hovering silently overhead, the cyber attack that shuts down their city's water supply, or the flood of online misinformation designed to tear their society apart. The front line is now everywhere, and everyone is potentially on it. The stress and trauma of this new reality are profound, reshaping entire communities. So where are we heading? As technology continues its relentless march forward, we stand at a critical crossroads. Will artificial intelligence lead to faster, more devastating wars, or could it, paradoxically, create a new form of deterrence as conflicts become more remote and automated? Do we risk losing our own humanity, becoming desensitized to the real-world cost of war? These aren't just strategic questions. They are deep, philosophical questions about who we are and what kind of future we want to build. The evolution of warfare forces us to confront the very essence of our species. The timeless drama of conflict continues, but the stage is bigger than ever before, and the stakes have never been higher. Thank you for watching. If this video gave you something to think about, please like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into our complex world.